How to download the Perplexity browser known as Comet, and in this particular video, besides demonstrating the download process, I'm also going to illustrate how to obtain a complimentary month of Perplexity Pro, which is the artificial intelligence powering the Comet browser. For this purpose, I will provide a link in the description so that you can initially acquire the browser and also secure the free month. This offer is available for a limited duration, so if you're viewing this video much later, the promotion might no longer be accessible, but the link will still enable you to download the browser. Now, a very crucial detail is that as of today when I'm recording this video, the browser is only accessible for Windows and macOS. Therefore, if you wish to download it for another platform and you're watching this video long after I uploaded it, verify if it might already be available for Linux, iOS, or Android, and see if you can download it from the same link, as it will still direct you. Simply enter the link from the operating system you wish to install. But anyway, once we're here, click where it says Claim Invitation. If the design has changed, just search for the download button and click there. Then it might prompt you to log in, especially to claim the free month of Perplexity Pro. Simply log in with Apple, your Google account, or any email you possess, and once you log in, this same tab will appear saying, "Welcome to Comet. Your download will commence automatically." Since I'm on Windows, it automatically provides me the version for my operating system, but if you're on macOS, it will automatically download the macOS version. Once you have it, simply go to the Downloads, click on the installer, and once you have it, it will appear here, "Welcome to Comet. Get ready to browse with intelligence." Click Start Installation, and it says Built with Perplexity in mind because this is the artificial intelligence agent behind this browser. Simply wait for it to install and for the bar to complete. In my case, I already have it installed, so it won't give me a startup screen or a super cool animation welcome, but if it's your first time installing it, it will appear, and it will ask you to log in and create a profile. In my case, I already have it, so it simply shows Installation Completed, and Launch Comet will appear, so we click there and look. In my case, it already started, and I have it here. But as I was saying, you probably won't have bookmarks or extensions because you don't have an account yet. For this, I recommend that you log in. How do you do it? You simply navigate downwards here to the left-hand side, click on where it indicates Account, and here you will verify that you have an account linked, just as I have here. If you don't have one, log in as I mentioned earlier, either with Google or any email you possess. Another significant aspect is that if you desire the complimentary month and it's still accessible when you watch this video, all you need to do is open a web page, for instance, a news outlet like the Wall Street Journal. Simply enter one of the articles and utilize the assistant by clicking at the top right. This is where the artificial intelligence assistant will appear, and you can request it to summarize this page. It will read it and perfectly summarize everything it states here, so that's quite beneficial. Once you have it available, just wait a few moments, open a new tab, go down to the left again to where it says Account, and it will show that you are Pro, meaning the membership will appear if the promotion is still available, as I mentioned. It could be that it has expired and the option for a complimentary month is no longer available. But even if it has expired, you still have Comet, the browser, fully available for your daily use. I've been using it, and I find it much superior to many other browsers, mainly due to the integration with Perplexity. We'll have to see if Google releases its version, but with Perplexity, you can literally do things like send emails automatically, summarize YouTube videos or other platforms, summarize web pages, and more. It's quite appealing and interesting for browsing the internet. That said, I'll leave the link in the description along with all the information in case there are new promotions, like a free year if they launch a new promotion. For now, I'll leave that link in the video description. Goodbye, take care of yourself.